Assembly is a powerful place for shaping value, opinion, and ideas about the school and for understanding personality. Assemblies are conducted actively by students and teachers. Reading the news headlines instills the confidence in the students and also create awareness and make them to understand the importance of the news for current affairs.
Infosys may cut up to 10,000 jobs. Sports news. Rohit Sharma all set to become second Indian cricketer to play 100 T20s. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius.
Good morning. Today's thought of the day is the goal of education is not to increase the amount of knowledge